Hi, boys and girls, and happy Friday! Today we're going to be reviewing some more addition and subtraction word problems with N20. So let's go ahead and read our I can statement together, and then we'll get started. I can represent and solve addition and subtraction word problems with N20. All right, let's go. First, for our warm-up, equal equations. We have one equation that is completed and one equation that is not. And I need to make both equations equal. So I'm going to start by solving the equation that does not have the missing part. So 20 minus 8. I'm going to draw 20 circles and take 8 away. Now I'm going to take 8 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many circles do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this side of my equation is 12, and this side needs to be 12 as well. So what can I take away from 16 to get 12? 16 minus what is 12? I want you to pause this video and solve this equation. Ready? Pause. All right, if you got 4, you are correct. If I have 16 circles and I take 4 away, I will have 12 left. Now both sides of the equation are equal. All right, we've got a story problem. I'm going to read this to you and then we're going to solve it together. Sarah made 7 snow angels. Grant made some more. They made 14 snow angels in all. How many did Grant make? The first thing I'm going to do is make an equation. So I'm going to go back and reread my story problem and write my equation as I read it. Sarah made 7 snow angels. Grant made some more. I don't know how many because it doesn't give me a number. It just says some, so that is unknown. They made 14 snow angels in all. I know I'm adding because it says they made 14 in all. So I'm adding the 2 together to see how many they made total. How many did Grant make? So that is what I am trying to find out. Sarah made 7, Grant made some, together they made 14. How many did Grant make? Now that I have my equation, I can fill in my number bond. One of my parts is 7, my other part is unknown, and my whole number is 14. So to find my missing part, I can subtract 14 from 7. So now I want you to pause the video and draw a picture to match 14 minus 7 so you can get your missing part. Ready? Pause. All right, I have 14 circles drawn out. Now I'm going to take 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that is my missing part. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So Sarah made 7 snow angels, Grant made 7, and together they have 14 snow angels. Okay, This one I want you to do on your own. I'm going to read the story problem to you, and then you are going to make an equation, draw a picture, and use the number line to solve. Lynn had some books in her bag. His friend took 4 of them. Now Lynn only has 13 books left. How many books did Lynn have to begin with? When I pause the video, I want you to reread the story problem to yourself and then make an equation to match. Ready? Pause. Okay, if your equation looks like mine, you are correct. Lynn had some books in her bag. Some. I don't know how many because it doesn't give me a number. That part is unknown. This should say her. Her friend took 4 of them. I'm subtracting because it says her friend took some, which means they are taking away 4 books. Now she only has 13 books left. How many books did Lynn have to begin with? This is my unknown. How many books she had to begin with? I don't know how many she had to begin with. I know her friend took 4 and she has 13 left. Now I want you to pause the video and draw a picture to solve your equation. Ready? Pause. Now for my picture, I drew a number bond because number bonds help me when the missing part is the first number in a subtraction problem. These are the 2 numbers that I do have, 4 and 13. And remember, in a number bond, the whole number in a subtraction problem always goes up top, and my whole number is unknown. So these are my 2 parts. To find my missing whole number, I can add these 2 parts together. I drew 13 circles and I added 4. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now I have my missing unknown. 17 minus 4 equals 13. You can also solve this using a number line. So I want you to pause the video and draw a number line from 1 to at least 17 and solve using a number line. Ready? Pause. All right, to solve using the number line, again, you're going to add our 2 parts together, 4 and 13. So I'm going to start at 4, and I'm going to jump forward 13 spaces because, again, we're adding them together. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I land on 17. All right, let's do another one. Asia had some cookies. She went to the store to buy 5 more. Now she has 16. How many did she have to start with? I want you to pause the video, reread the problem, and write an equation to match the problem. Ready? Pause. All right, your equation should look like mine. Asia had some cookies. I don't know how many, so that part is unknown. She went to the store to buy 5 more. I know I'm adding because she's buying more, which means my number is getting bigger. Now she has 16. How many did she have to start with? Now I want you to draw a picture to solve your equation. Ready? Pause. For my picture, the first thing I did was fill in my number bond. My whole number is 16, and my 2 parts are 5 and an unknown. If you look over here, you have 5 and an unknown. Those are the 2 parts I'm adding together. To find my missing part, I'm going to take 16 and subtract 5. 16 minus 5 will get me my missing part. So I drew 16 circles and I took 5 away. Let's see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is my missing part. That is how many cookies Asia had to start with. All right, now it is your turn. Isabella has 4 bows. Alexandra has 15 bows. How many fewer bows does Isabella have than Alexandra? I want you to write a number sentence that matches this story, use a symbol for the unknown number, and then solve the problem. You're going to show your thinking with pictures, numbers, or words, the same way we did in the problems we did together. When you complete this activity in your journal, you're going to take a picture and post it on Seesaw. After you do that, you have another math Seesaw activity that you're going to do. All right, have a good day, boys and girls.